Hello, we are here today to present a new option of our product Marmorino floor called Pure Glass. Pure Glass is a transparent bicomponent epoxy resin that appears like a sheet of glass on top of our floor. The application is quite easy. Just pour the product on the surface, spread lightly with a trowel, and it is practically auto-leveling. At first, the floor must be stabilized by spreading a coat of primer Pure Glass, using a roller and letting it dry for 4 or 5 hours. At this point, the two measured auto components A plus B must be mixed together with a ratio of 100 plus 62. The mixture must be spread on the prepared and dry floor with a thickness of approximately 2 millimeters. You should use about 2.2 kilograms per square meter. With a special spatula, you can help spreading out, and with a spiked roller, eliminate eventual air bubbles. Finally, to guarantee the best finishing, just spray on the surface a little 99% pure alcohol. Our floor now is finally finished and it will become walkable after 48-72 hours. Thank you.